Australian hot water.
Hot water. When it's gone, you feel it. Cold shower, anyone? Here's some tips from Australian hot water so you never run out. Check your system for cracks or leaks. Sometimes small problems can be solved before they become big problems. The relief valve is designed to relieve excess pressure. We recommend a test every 6 months to make sure it's working properly. Check your manual for instructions. Going away for a while? If you're leaving for more than a few weeks, turn the system off. Saves your system and your money. Every 5 years or so, get your system serviced. This can help avoid potential problems and extend the life and efficiency of your system. For a free hot water health check, contact Australian Hot Water. Hot water? Think Australian. 13 21 13.